Hi, my name is Tony Amidei. And I'm a Senior Director of UX at PayPal, and have spent the past 2 decades driving great user experiences at PayPal, Disney, and Yahoo, as well as boutique design studios and startups. Now I'm excited to be sharing my passion for UX and expertise through the UX design course with Elevator. As someone who works with hundreds of designers and spends much of my time helping my teams grow in their careers, I wanted to make sure this course gives you a solid foundation in UX practices and what to expect as a UX designer at an enterprise scale company. So regardless if this is your first try at UX, or you've already got experience as a junior UX designer and you're looking to get into a big company, this class is for you. In this course, you'll discover how UX design fits into app and web product development and how large UX teams collaborate to design for millions of customers. You'll learn to map out and solve customer problems with the help of modern UX methodologies, and we'll examine how to get the most from user research, run design sprints, and validate your UX solutions. I'll break down each step of creating journey maps, user flows, wireframes, and prototypes, and you can confidently apply these tools to your projects and know when each will be the most effective for you. We'll also learn about the importance of UX content and how to improve information architecture, so apps and websites you design will map to customers' mental models. And as part of this journey, you'll work on assignments with a deep, practical focus. You'll be challenged to improve the UX for a selected project that will help you apply what you learn and be able to add it to your portfolio. And I also want you to be successful in a corporate environment, and we'll share some tips on how best to collaborate across teams with specialized roles, how to present your designs in a way to get the feedback you need, how to make sure your portfolio matches what UX hiring managers are looking for, and to be prepared for interviews. So I'm incredibly excited to be teaching this course. See you in the class.